Instagram marketing premium tools and services to consider. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management tool that is perfect for Instagram marketers. Buffer can help you to simplify your workflow because it provides you with tools to coordinate and schedule your Instagram posts. It also provides you with an accessible dashboard where you can reply to comments and other interactions directly from your desktop computer. Other Buffer features include the Stories Planner, a programmable first comment for scheduled posts, a hashtag planner, and custom reports. 460. 460 is an amazingly different Instagram marketing tool that will allow you to turn content from your Instagram feed into cool, shoppable experiences. It works by integrating with your Instagram account to pull content such as product pictures and repurpose it as e-commerce galleries that look very similar to an Instagram feed. Shoppers simply have to tap or click on one of the images, and 460 will redirect them to a product page. Grum. Grum is a dead simple Instagram scheduling tool that will help you to schedule your Instagram content right from the web. With Grum, you will be able to schedule and publish photos and videos to multiple profiles at the same time, and also to manage an unlimited number of accounts at the same time. Other worthy Grum features include tagging, desktop publishing, and a very intuitive interface. Crowdfire. Crowdfire is a useful social media management and scheduling tool that can help you streamline your Instagram marketing activities. It provides you with straightforward publishing and scheduling features, automated post formatting, custom scheduling according to time zone, and a special scheduled content meter that'll help you know whether you have enough content scheduled each week. It also provides you with powerful analytics and mention tracking features. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a versatile social media management tool that is wildly popular among Instagram marketers thanks to its powerful host of features. Hootsuite can help you to plan all your Instagram marketing content under a single collaborative calendar, to create unique and beautiful Instagram posts, to keep your content calendar active with automated posts that fill content gaps in your schedule, and much more. Hopper. Hopper is a social media management tool that is made for businesses looking for a solution to simplify their Instagram marketing tasks. With Hopper, you can create up to 50 Instagram posts at once using bulk uploading, to set individual time zones for different accounts, and to integrate Instagram analytics and grid planning. It also provides you with features such as full image editing, reposting, and rescheduling. Iconosquare. Iconosquare is a powerful analytic social media management and social media scheduling tool for brands, marketers, and agencies on Instagram. You can use Iconosquare to predict the performance of your content through its insightful industry benchmarks, which automatically compares your content against content published by top-performing competitors, and it gives you detailed optimization suggestions to help you improve your content like a pro. Combin. Combin is a dedicated Instagram marketing tool that provides you with great marketing and content planning solutions, which includes Instagram audience growth, management and attraction, post and story planning, multiple account management, engagement automation, outgoing and incoming activity monitoring, and more. Later. Later is an amazing marketing platform for Instagram that will allow you to visually plan, schedule, and analyze posts for Instagram and other platforms too. With Later, you'll be able to plan up to a week of Instagram posts in 20 minutes or less using its powerful visual content calendar. It will also let you preview your feed before you post. It would let you auto-publish without notifications required. It can help you to import media from anywhere, to find and repost user-generated content, and much, much more. Linktree. Linktree is a useful tool that will allow you to create a custom link for your Instagram bio. What it does is to redirect users to a page where you can add links to all your other channels, or to more product pages, or to more landing pages. This is the perfect solution to bypass the one link limitation. Instagram marketing do's and don'ts. Do's. Be consistent. Post consistently and on a predictable basis to keep your followers engaged and glued to your account. Try sticking to a content schedule if possible. Always use the link in your bio. You can't add links to your Instagram posts, so it is a good idea to always use your bio to share your landing page URLs and to remind people to click by adding a call to action in your posts. Ask questions. Asking questions of your followers is a great form of engagement. Doing so strengthens your customer relationships and makes your brand more likable. Engage with other brands. People enjoy watching competing brands engaging on Instagram. Simply comment, like, and share stuff from your competitors to create more branded conversations. Create a unique brand voice. It is important that you develop a unique voice for your account. This is the way your brand speaks on Instagram, and it will help you to differentiate your account from the rest. Share motivational stuff. Instagram users love motivational content. A motivational quote, image, or video about your brand will be enough to encourage users to share with their friends and followers. Use all available tools. Instagram has a lot of amazing tools that will help you take your brand to the next level. From its powerful image editing tools to its engaging video formats, you'll have a lot of fun trying every feature. Promote your Instagram account. You can add shortcuts to your Instagram profile as well as a feed of your Instagram content on your website to promote your Instagram account there as well as on other channels. Share relatable content. You can show a more casual side of your company by sharing content that is relatable, such as pictures of pets, your staff's favorite dishes, music, and humor. Try alternative engagement techniques. You can create stories using elements such as polls, quizzes, and questions to engage users in a different, fun, and relevant way that will keep them coming back for more. Don'ts. Don't overpost. Avoid posting too many times a day. It sounds like a good idea, but it can bore your audience, get you unfollowed, and create a reputation as spammer. Don't ghost your audience. On the other hand, it isn't a good idea to ghost your audience by not posting either. In fact, missing your regular posting frequency for a day or two can lower your relevance by a lot. Don't be salesy. Avoid using salesy language on Instagram. Don't use calls to action urging people to buy. Instead, encourage people to visit your product pages by offering an incentive. Don't share stock media. Never post stock images or videos on Instagram. Instagram users are put off by stock content because they're there to see content that shows your brand's authentic side. Don't share irrelevant content. Don't post content that isn't relevant to your audience. While you can share off-topic content that your followers will enjoy, you have to avoid sharing stuff that's too irrelevant. Don't overuse hashtags. You don't have to use all 30 allowed hashtags just because. Using too many hashtags will just make your captions look crowded and disorganized. Don't use auto-commenters. Instagram users can identify automated responses from a mile away. In fact, automated responses can cause people to dismiss your account as a spam account not worth their time. Don't buy followers and engagement. This is a strategy that fails every time because the Instagram algorithm is really good at identifying artificial engagement bought to inflate metrics, and it can only help you to make your account irrelevant. Don't argue with users. Social media users can be really mean and rude at times, but that doesn't mean that you have to reciprocate. Always reply professionally to rude comments no matter what. Don't steal content. If you'd like to share an image, video, caption, or quote that you think is cool, make sure to always ask for permission and to credit the original creator to keep your account in good standing.